There are a lot of AI writing detectors out there today. Some are great, some not so much. But what all of them have in common is that they make it that much harder for us to use AI-generated writing. That's why today I'm going to be teaching you how to bypass any AI detector using Claude AI. Now, most of you may be asking, why use Claude? Well, that's because instead of copying and pasting your work into another website every time, Claude can do what we need inside the chat once you set it up. Remember, the goal here is to work smarter, not harder. With that out of the way, let's get into it. And if you don't already have a Claude account, go ahead and create one. Once you're in, let's get started. Step 1. In your Google or any search engine you use, search Humanizer Claude Skill and click the first link you see, which should be this one. Now all you have to do on this page is download the zip file from the code menu. Easy, right? Now over to Step 2. Step 2. Open up Claude AI and go to Settings. On the Settings page, find the Customize section, and there you should see Skills. Enter the Skills section, and you can see all the skills Claude uses to accomplish different tasks. Now you can click on the Add button, which allows you to manually add a skill. The method we'll be using is Upload a Skill. So now you can click, navigate, and select the Humanizer skill we downloaded earlier, and Claude automatically processes it and adds it to its skill list. Now that that's done, let's head to the interesting part, testing. We'll be using Quillbot's AI detector to test it. To test this, let's generate something without using the skill. This is the AI % before we use the skill. Now let's tell Claude to use the skill. And this is it after we've used the skill. For something that took less than a minute to install, I'd say that's a pretty decent result. Remember to always instruct it to use the skill if that's what you want it to do. And remember, no AI detector works exactly the same way, so your results may vary depending on which detector you're testing against. That's it for today's video. Remember, if you want to work smarter, not harder, and you like videos like these, click that subscribe button and turn on notifications to know when the next video comes out. I'll see you guys on the next one.